Tesla manufactured their batteries by themselves. They have advanced factory for that. Tesla provides fast charging system to its customers, and they are building several charging stations in public. Tesla cars have many amazing electrical and mechanical features, like air suspension, by which you can adjust the ground clearance of the car according to the situation. Being autonomous is one of the key features of Tesla cars. By the Smart Summon feature, you can command your car to come and pick you up from where you are. But you have to be sure that you have a clear line of sight to your car and there is no blockage in the surroundings. Safety is also a major priority for Tesla.
Crash test executing in 3, 2, 1.
They test their cars to ensure the safety of passengers. Apart from real crash tests, Tesla also uses advanced computer simulations to understand the physics of the crash. After analyzing the data from these tests, Tesla designed their airbags accordingly. Due to their high standards, Tesla have got amazing safety ratings from several testing agencies. Along with the successful commuter cars like the Model S and Model 3, Tesla is also working on a sports car, the Roadster. It will lead the new Tesla lineup after a few years. Elon Musk has announced that the new Roadster will be the fastest production car in the world. And it will do 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.